How to delete Instagram messages. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete messages on Instagram. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you are logged into your account. And after that, simply tap on the chat icon shown in the top right corner of the screen and you will be prompted to the chat section. Now open the conversation where the message is located, and if it's your message, simply tap and hold on it and then simply tap on unsend, and this will remove for both you and the other person. And if it is someone else's message, you can go back and tap and hold on it and then select delete for you. But remember, this only removes it from your chat, but the sender will be still be able to see it. And now if you want to delete an entire conversation, you can simply go back and tap and hold on the conversation you want to remove and simply select delete and confirm to permanently remove it from your chat list. And after deleting, a conversation only removes it from your account and the other person will still have the access to that message. And that's it. Now you know how to delete Instagram messages easily. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.